I think they're going to come up pretty easy. Alright, give the patio another hose down with the pressure washer. But you can see this is probably the worst area where it's dipped. So we're going to have to lift up some of these slabs and relay them, really. Time for some bigger toys. So yeah? Yeah?
Where are we going to go?
Well, you can drill that bit up for me. Hang on, if it's real at all.
So is that the button you press to start it?
Yeah, so you have to hold it, 2 hands. It won't turn, it's... Watch your feet.
Oh my gosh, this is heavy.
Let the weight of the tool do the work. So let rest of the tool, that's it. Now you press it. Did you?
Yeah. So can you kill a person having that?
Yeah.
Oh, that this bit here is hot. Where it says the instructions.
It gets warm. Let's go very fast. You done?
One blob left.
Hang on. Say again?
One blob left.
Okay, you're going to do that one as well, are you? Cool. I'm going to take that down then. The field, alright?
I just need to miss this blob there.
Hey? We'll cook tea and then we can come back outside. Alright? Okay, as you can see, I've lifted quite a few slabs in this area. I've lifted some over there and put them back down. Here, it has formed a kind of natural dip. And actually, if I show you, you can see where some of the water's been running. So I think although we've left gaps out in the walls and stuff for this water to escape, part of me thinks I might as well kind of use this natural bit of a depression that's kind of occurred. And I'm thinking about here, it's dropping in a drain, running it out, 4-inch pipe, out to that wall, and then having it from this manhole, which is solid, kind of just fall into here. It's not going to be a huge area, but it's going to be a bit of water that goes away quickly and doesn't sit there all winter. For not huge amounts of effort, really. So it's going to be a bit of a pain. I've got to dig down here now, lift up these, I'll probably put it there, and then core drill through the wall as well, which is a bit of a pain. But yeah, so that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. Might as well do it properly, ain't I? I should say, having put this patio in myself and with a friend, I know where all the surfaces are, so I'm not going to hit anything here. They're all over on that side, so it's not such an issue to be swinging the pick quite so wildly. Obviously, if you don't know what's under, take it a bit steadier. No one wants to hit a water pipe or worse. Lots of different names for lots of different tools. I call this narrow spade a graft. It did have wings on there so you can dig better with it, but I cut them off because it stops you getting into your trench. It's quite a nice weighty one, solid steel, so you kind of get a bit of force behind it if you need to. I do need to get the breaker on it, but it's Sunday, so I'll be nice to my neighbours and do it tomorrow. Yay. This hole was an absolute nightmare to drill through. The drill wasn't strong enough for it. I cut my pipe now, make sure I've got the right fall, which I know I have. Get it fixed in. I mean, it's so on the angle, I don't even need to put this on. Perfect. Concrete.